How to deactivate your X account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your X account, formerly known as Twitter. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the X app on your phone. And here, once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on Settings and Support at the bottom of the pop-up menu. And after that, on the drop-down menu, simply tap on Settings and Privacy. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the Settings section. From here, simply tap on the option labeled as Your Account. Now here in this section, you can see the option labeled as Deactivate Account. So just tap on that. And now you'll see a page with details about what happens when you deactivate. So make sure to read the information provided, and if you are sure you want to proceed, just tap on Deactivate button at the bottom of the screen. And here on the new page, you need to finally enter your account password to confirm. And once that's done, your account will be deactivated. But keep in mind that your account isn't permanently deleted yet, so you have 30 days to log back in if you change your mind, and after that it will be gone for good. And that's it. That's how you can deactivate your X account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.